Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add drop cap in Google Docs. Drop caps are used to add style and visual impact to the start of the chapter, story. It's that big decorative first letter you see in the books, magazines and newsletters. So the first step is you want to delete the first letter of your paragraph. So in my case it's letter P. I'm gonna remove it. Now we want to go to Insert, Drawing and New. Now, once you are in the drawing, you want to select Actions, Word Art, and here type your letter. So I'm gonna type P, Enter, and now we have our P. And now you can customize the color, font, and size of the letter using this toolbar. So let's say we can make this black. You can change maybe the font. So I'm gonna choose this one. And then if you are ready, you can click on Save and Close. Now it's going to load your letter as a drop cap. So as you can see, now if you want to wrap this around the text, what you can do, you can select it. And here you can click on wrap text and it's going to be wrapped around the text. You can also change the margin. So we can make 1 to 4 or maybe 1 to 16. And that's basically it. If you want to resize it to make this a little bit smaller, you can drag the corner and that's it. So this is how you can add this drop cap in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.